channel. Model Rocks 321 is here. Go on, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumb up, and welcome to the channel. Be sure to check the links below. Check out my shop, check out the film. I got a zine, got some stuff. Support any way you can. It's Model Rocks 321. So today we're going to talk about my X-15 scratch build. This came from the plastic version. This is the nose cone from the plastic version that had a weird flight like maybe 2 years ago, hit the ground kind of hard, and it was just weird. Like it flew. It was one of those Q-jet motors. I'm starting to feel some kind of way about those motors. I don't know. It's kind of a strange flight. But anyway, hit the ground, cracked the body like up around where the nose cone would stay. Could have glued it back. I just don't want to start gluing that plastic and stuff. So I decided to just rebuild the body. I modeled this after the plastic body itself, which I'm going to grab right now. Hold for 1 second. All right, so here's that plastic body. This is that section that got all busted up. The tail was okay, and the nozzle was okay. I already cut the little hooks off that you put the motor in, nozzle goes, and you turn and lock. I already cut that off because I have a plan for this that I'm going to show you right now. So yeah, just rebuilding it. I modeled it all after that. I think it has a nice profile. It looks like the X-15. I mean, I'm not sure how scale the original plastic one was, but this one it's modeled after that, so it's very close. Only thing is the nose does have a little shoulder here. It's a little bit bigger than the body, so that's the only thing that's kind of out of whack. I did those two drop tail fins on the side. Got these two top and bottom fins, and I got those little wings. So we are doing pretty good. Only thing it needs is to shock cord mount, and shock cord got to get mounted. Launch lug, which I have right here, I'm gonna go with a little longer lug with a little standoff to get past this cone. So it'll be under the bottom, close to this center fin. So I'm gonna find a good point for that once I find center of gravity and everything. So I'll be mounting that up. And then last but not least will be the motor mount, which I already built this motor mount, and I used the new school Estes hook, and I put a engine block in there. But then the idea just hit me was to utilize that tail cone that came with the plastic version. I had this already built when the idea came to try to get this over there. So I have the Dremel out, Dremel right here. So I'm gonna use one of these rougher ones, and I'm gonna just carve out the inside of this so I can get this over the end of this motor mount. So it'll have the profile of the real one. So it'll have its motor nozzle will be sticking out about that far, and I think that'll be a good look and make it a little bit more scale. Because I was just originally just going to go, like this. I was going to put motor mount, and I was going to have it like this. Let me get that in there. I was going to go motor mount and then just have it out about like that. And I was going to paint that black or wrap it, either wrap it or paint it black. But how much nicer would it be to just go on and have this nozzle from that kit on here? Painting that black wouldn't be so bad either. And I'm also going to probably block off and close this. I'm going to close these gaps. I'm going to go ahead and get a piece of this. I use a cardstock black, and I'm going to cover this black tail section. And so that's what I'm going to be doing there. But for right now, I'm about to Dremel out this here. Once I Dremel it out, I'm going to have to cut a space for the engine hook to be able to lift still. So it'll be in there like that. It'll be over top of this. And this is thick, so it's going to take a little dremeling, but the Dremel can get most of the work done for me. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on right now. So that'll be finished up, and that'll be done soon. Then I'm considering leaving it like this, and I may even get some decals, but it's gonna probably fly like this until I get decals. And I'm thinking about not doing paint. I may do with a silver. Were they titanium? I gotta see what they were made of. I think they were titanium, if I'm not mistaken. I think they were titanium, unless they were aluminum. But I may do silver or some kind of metal. Give it a metal look, kind of like these shrouds, or like we just getting this thing together, and we're gonna fly it for a test flight kind of idea. So once I get this all Dremeled down, I will be sliding this nozzle on there, and I think it'll give it a nice look. So that's the X-15, guys. It's coming along pretty good. I'm liking it so far. Yeah, so cool. I like it. Yeah, I think silver will make everything you see it's brown will probably end up being silver. Except for the tail cone. Tail cone will be black, nose going to be black, and these shrouds. And decals, I'm wondering if I can heat these up and get them off here and put them on. Just wondering. These are actually like, yeah, these are thicker, but I'll take them though. I don't mind it so much. It's not like I'm enter a scale competition or anything like this. This is gonna be a flyer. It's gonna be a flyer. It always had this nose cone actually has nose weight in it, so we're gonna be good as far as balance. We're gonna be good. It's gonna fly great. It's gonna fly like really great. So yeah, guys, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, share the video around, support any way you can, and watch the videos coming up. And also, if you want a discount at Estes, go to estesrockets.com, put in discount code IN_321. That's IN_321. Let me say it again, my voice kind of went out. IN_321, and get yourself a discount. SmileRock321, and we will see you soon. I'll be working on this thing. Okay, so I've been dremeling the inside of this nozzle out so I can get it over the motor mount in. It's kind of fitting still kind of snug. I'm gonna dremel some more, but I may end up having to cut a slot in it just so the engine hook can still work, because right now it's kind of tight. I got it on there. It's on, but it's not going all the way down. I want it even with the end of the motor tube, so I'm probably going to end up cutting a slot just so it can still function and be able to lift up and get the motor out of there. So that's what I'm working on. I'm going to continue to do that right now. A little more dremeling, and then I'm going to have to cut that slot. I'm going to have to do it. If it gets ruined, it gets ruined. But it should be good. Should be good. So the tail cone worked out pretty good, or engine nozzle worked out pretty good. I got it converted. I got a little split cut right there for the engine hook to still work. We are good. We are good to go with this. Only thing it needs now to apply the launch plug. I'm gonna put that under here, probably right above this bottom fin. Yeah, so we're doing good. And then I'm gonna probably seal this back off, close those openings right there, make it a little more realistic. May add a tiny bit more weight, but then all the nose weight right now is up front in this nose cone, because they have nose weight in there in that plastic cone, so it feels good. I think center gravity is gonna be great. I think it's gonna fly well. So there you have it, folks, for right now. Everything is mostly complete on this. I don't think I need to show attaching or working on this. Here's the launch plug. I got to have a little standoff for it just to get around this cone. There's a little notch there. Now, I didn't want to build out anything and just left it alone. It has a nice profile. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for checking this video out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel again and again. Hit the thumb up. And support any way you can. SmileRock321. Look for this guy to be flying real soon. I'm probably trying to get this out as soon as I can. So look for a video with this guy flying the friendly skies. SmileRock321, and I am out.